Rave on Crazy Feeling is a 48 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. There is one easy tag after the first wall. The teach and count. We start with the weight on the left. Section 1, we're going to do 4 prissy walks with holds. So first, we're going to cross right over left in front, angling the body towards the left diagonal with a hold. Then cross left over right in front, angling the body towards the right diagonal with a hold. Cross right over left with a hold. Cross left over right with a hold. The weight's on the left. We're facing 12 o'clock. Section 2. A grapevine to the right with a touch and a grapevine to the left with a touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch. The weight's on the left. We're facing 12 o'clock. Section 3. We're going to do diagonal step touches back. So step diagonal right back, touch left. Step diagonal left back, touch right. Step right diagonal back, touch left. Step left diagonal back, touch right. The weight's on the left. We're facing 12 o'clock. Section 4. We're going to step right to the right side, a quarter turn left, step right forward and touch left behind right. Now step left forward, a half a pivot turn right, step left forward and touch right behind left. The weight's on the left. We're facing 3 o'clock. Section 5. We're going to rock forward on the right, recover on the left, side rock to the right, recover on the left, step right behind left, step left to left side, and a right toe strut forward. The weight's on the right. We're facing 3 o'clock. Section 6. We're going to rock forward on the left, recover on the right, side rock to the left, recover on the right, step left behind right, step right to right side, and a left toe strut forward. The weight's on the left. We're facing 3 o'clock, and we start the dance again. The count. Section 1. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5 hold 6, 7 hold 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The weight's on the left. We're facing 3 o'clock, and we start again. There is one easy tag after the first wall. After the first wall, our weight will be on the left, and we will be facing 3 o'clock. The tag is 2 right rocking chairs. So it's rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left. Again, rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left. The count for the tag is then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The weight will be on the left. We will be facing 3 o'clock, and we start the dance again.